Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today it's time to do our savings challenges. And today we're going to be finishing the savings challenge, which I'm super happy about. So stay tuned. Let's see which one we finish. Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be doing some savings challenges today. And well, I said today twice, right? But it's only one day, which is today. We are going to be finishing out one of our savings challenges, and I'm super excited about it. I noticed when I did my intro, I still had on my Band-Aid, but it's gone now. Anywho, let's see how much money we are going to be stuffing in our savings challenges. So we have 100, we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 50, 450. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 160. And 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22. Plus the extra 5. So $817 that we're going to be stuffing. I wonder how that 5 got in there. All right, so let's get started. So I went ahead and finished out my 12 weeks. I just scratched some of the little squares off from Baddie's Save with Baddie challenge, and all together they came out to 36. I didn't write it in here, but we can write it in here. Why not? Why the heck not, right? So that's $9, that's $9, $6, and $9. Funny, a lot of 9s and a 6. The numbers that are key to the universe, right? So for the Save with Baddie challenge, 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 equals $33. So we're gonna do 20, 10, 1, 2, 3. And we are completely done with this challenge. And I don't know what I am going to, where am I going to put this money towards? So all together for our Save with Baddie challenge, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $109. All right. So I'm going to put that, it's already open. I'm going to put that right back in here. I don't think this can fit in there, can it? Nah. And we're going to put this to the side. But you know what? I think I'm going to do it again, but I'm just going to, go through and scratch whatever I want to scratch off. Just for a little savings challenge for myself, just really quickly. Probably not now, but I'm going to keep it and use it for something else. All right, let's do Christmas. So ask Siri what we're going to do for Christmas, and Siri said, go underneath, go under. Siri told me that she wants me to stuff a 55, which is this one right here. So let's go to Christmas, and we have 55 going into Christmas. Let's see. Well, you can tell that I have not put any of this together. I've just been stuffing it. So let's put it all together really quickly. Got 100, 50, 50, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. 20, 20, 20. Okay. 10. Come on. 5 and 1s. All right, so for Christmas so far we have 1, 2, 53, 50, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 500, 510, 515, 520, 25, 30, 35, 36. So 536 we have so far in Christmas, and it is only July. Well, no, not July yet. It's June. Get it together, Shatara. It's June. All right, let's color. And go straight down. Give it some leaves on the Christmas tree. Gonna come around. And boom, bada boom. Christmas is done for this week. We're moving right on along. Yeah, we're moving right on along. All right. The next one we're going to do is the 50 envelope challenge, which is not the 50 envelope challenge that you would think of, like the 100 envelope challenge. It actually is just like a whole bunch of, it's a low income, I guess, or low numbers. The numbers are low. But for this, we're going to put in, I don't know. Let's see. I have $36 and set aside for this, but there is no way that I can do $36. We can do 35. I can do a 20 and a 15. Yeah, let's do a 20 and a 15. But before we color, let's pull out the money. I don't even know what I did for this, you guys. Let me see. I have my little cheat sheet right here. I should know, right? So for the challenge, I pulled out a 20, a 10. Okay, so I can do that. So 20, 10, and a 5. And that was for this one right here. And we have a 5, have a 20, and we have a 10. So that gives us 1, 2, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 255. So let's color in. I'll go all the way over here. Just be a little rebel, right? Color in the heart. Ooh, ooh. Sorry, these are the things that happen in my mind when I'm sitting here focusing. Some type of melody or something comes up and I have to sing. All right. Color in the heart. And boom, boom, bam. We're done. Alrighty. You guys, we are finishing the 100 envelope challenge. Oh my Jesus. Yes, I'm super duper excited to finish out this challenge. Like, for real. My dog just came in here. Big old Pumbaa. Oh, this is all we got, y'all. This is all we got. This was a hard challenge. This was a hard challenge. I'm not gonna, it's not easy to do this challenge. It is not, but we did it, y'all. So, as you know, we're gonna be fast forwarding you. Well, as we're stuffing. And then the next one is going to be me unstuffing all of this. So, oh yeah, be right back. You guys, yes. So this is done. This is done. This is done. Oh man. So we finished June 20th, 2022. Now I have a 50, a 100 and the $50 on top of the money that we had left over that was in our wallet. Now I'm going to put, I did end up stuffing that 50, you guys. It's actually right here. So we're going to do something with this money, and I'm going to let you guys know. Let's go ahead and put this in the big ass jar. But I'm going to let you guys know in a minute what this money is going to go towards. So let's get the jar. It's like this jar needs a theme song. Okay. I'm horrible at beatboxing, but here we go. The big ass jar. Let me put the dollars in there. This is going to be fun to count, you guys. But that is in there. Let's put you away. Okay, so we have left over 150, 70, 85, $185. And then the money from the Save with Baddie challenge, we're going to put that with that. If you would like to close anytime, will be great. So let's add this in here. So all together we have 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, sorry, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 265, 270, 275, 280, 285, 286, 287, 288, 89, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294. $294 that we're going to put towards another envelope challenge that is going to come out to $5,000 and $5,050. And we're going to use the Baddies and Budget version, in which I'll show you on my lovely iPad. This is her digital copy. This is the one that she has for 26 weeks. So, well, this comes out to $5,000. It's not $5,050. So we're going to take this money and we're going to do this one more time. And we're going to use these honeycombs to stuff it. I think that would be great. Also, I am doing a $20,000 challenge, which I will bring to you soon. I was just playing around, seeing what the colors look like when I color them in. I'm taking the savings challenge, the emergency funds that I have already, and the 10% that I've been putting away for when we get paid, the 10% that goes into a savings. I'll show you how much we have in savings on top of me putting in the emergency fund, which came out to $1,200 to get to this $20,000 in savings. So I'm not really doing it in 52 weeks. I'm just doing it just to do it and see how much, well, see when I can finish it. But this is my goal. So yeah, that's us going forward, you guys. So lot. But I thank you for making it this far. I'm super, super excited to count all of the money from this challenge. It was so much fun doing this. It was super, super hard, but we got it done. And I'm just grateful that we were able to do it. And like I said, you guys know that this is going to our Hawaii vacation next year. So yay. We're making our way downtown, walking fast. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do all the things, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until then, keep it moving, to keep it growing. I'm all just flushed it. What did I say? What is the thing I say? Keep it moving, keep it going, keep it growing. There we go. All right. Bye.